Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can extract data from any kind of files for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free. So in this video, I will not only show how you can set up the system, and I also test in front of you with different kind of files like a PDF, like a simple Excel sheet, and even with a PPT, and that's it. So first of all, what you have to do is either if you are watching this video in YouTube, in LinkedIn, or in Instagram, what you have to do is just comment the word OCR and I will send the link so that you can download this particular automation. Once you have downloaded that, you have to go to your n8n. If you don't have, just go and create your n8n account and click on import from file and select the file that you have just downloaded. Once you did that, you will see something like this. So what you have to do is then go to this link. You will see this link. So once you click this link, so you will see something like this. And if you don't have account for Llama Cloud, you simply just go and create your account. This is a tool we will be using to extract data from any kind of documents, right? So once you did that, so what you have to do is just go to API keys, generate API, and copy the API that you have just generated. And then we have this HTTP module. Yeah, obviously you have to set up your Google Drive. I'll not be showing in this video how you can set up a Google Drive, but in this video we will be seeing how we can extract the data from any kind of documents. So you have to select that HTTP module and everything will be set up. Like I will also show you that we have this endpoint and we have the credential type header auth. And in header auth, what you have to do is just go and click on author, means in name you have to add authorization, and then in here in value what you have to do is basically, let me type in here. So what you have to do, you have to do this in value, right? So what you have to do is you have to type bearer, and by the way I have also written this in that note as well, so you can means see there as well, bearer, and one space after that paste your API that you have generated, so it will be in this place, right? Once you've done this, so I will remove this and close, right? So once you've done this, you have to just select the same credentials like Llama Cloud in this in this example, and here as well in these three HTTP modules. So once you've done this, so as you can see that I have a testing file, which is this document, this freelance earning report, and you can see this is exactly in here as well, freelance earning report. So as you can see here in our HTTP first HTTP module in which we are uploading our file. So what you have to do is like here you have to click on send body, and content type will be form data, and the parameters type will be n8n binary file. So you can select here, and then in name you are not supposed to add the name of your file. I'm again saying it's not the name of the file, but you should write file only. Yes. So if you'll select anything like this file name, it will give you an error. And then input data file name, field name is basically this data. So what you have to do is execute the previous step and you will see something like this, and you have to add in here. Most of the time in n8n it will be data. Once you means do this, we are good to go. And finally, just to show you guys that how the data is coming, so I'm using this Google sheet. So what I will do is I was just testing, so I have already uploaded some data. I will remove this, and now we have this blank sheet. So we will be uploading our data back to this sheet, which in this case is this one, right? So now first of all, go with this freelance earning report. I will copy this, and just for testing, obviously it will be in your automation something like this, in which you are, in this case I'm using just if there will be any kind of attachment with our email, so we will be using this automation to extract the data and then forward it with a good accuracy, then a lot of paid tools and the native n8n one. So in here, so to test it, what you have to do is just you have to select any file and then file name, paste the file name in here. So in our case, it's freelance earning report.pdf. We will first test it with PDF. So execute the workflow. As you can see that it's running and we are uploading the data. We have already did this, and here I am using the wait node in which I am waiting for 8 seconds, so that it took some time obviously to extract the data. And then we are using if the status means checking the status. In this, as you can see, the status was success. So if it's success, it will go through this route, otherwise it will go back and wait for 8 seconds. And as you can see, once we means we have our green flag that our success the file is successfully, the data is extracted. So we will then use this HTTP module in which we are using this node, this endpoint. Obviously you will have this in automation, the blueprint that I have shared with you, but yeah, I just wanted to show you. And you have to select the same header auth and the same credential type, and then you have to add these headers, and that's it. And yeah, you have to means map the ID of the file, And that's it. And as you can see that we have already uploaded this to a Google document. So here you can see, I will also show you how much accurate the system is. So we have this report, which is freelance earning, and then we have 4 fields. Then we have, as in here you can see these 4 fields, and then we have date, amount in PKR, and amount in USD, and growth versus previous. And as you can see that date, amount in PKR, growth, and previous, right? So we have these, and then we have these file fields, and in here as you can see that we have these file fields, and then we have insights, and then recommendations. So exactly the same data, it will be extracted. Now I will show you how you can extract the data from, if let's suppose you have an invoice and it's an image. It can be JPG image, it can be PNG image, any kind of image. So in this case I will go with a simple JPG image. So here is the image, and by the way it's too much blur, and even means with human you cannot read it. So we will see if it gives a correct results with this as well. So I have uploaded, this is a JSON body. I will also show you the exact file that I am uploading, and this is this file. So as you can see, we cannot even read this, and this is way more blur. So we will be using this exact system, and let's see how it extract the data from this file as well. Go in here back to your Google Drive and paste the name of this, and let me test it. Yeah, I'm getting the result. So I will go to execute this step, and I'm using this scenario, this automation, to extract even up to 100 files every single day. And till then means like I am getting even 100 files for free. So yeah, obviously if you have 1,000 files and more than that, and if you are giving it to a proper means your client, you can put some credits. And by the way, it does not need any credit card in beginning. So as you can see, then we have created this. So like it started for, let me just go to yeah, it started from here. How I know that? Because in here you can see create, right? So that create, so let me, yes, so create a professional e-commerce fashion photo, take a person. So it's just a prompt. So as you can see that it's extracted the exact prompt with 100% of accuracy here as well. So now let's go with like Excel sheet. So I have Excel sheet, and in here you can see that we have some simple fields. Obviously it may be means proper Excel sheet, but let's just for testing that if it's working properly. So let's go with Excel sheet as well, and just paste the name. I'm again saying it will be different for you because you may be using it for any kind of document. So just for testing, I'm using this Google Drive, and from you the path and the source of file may be different, but you have to just map it properly. And let's execute the step. As you can see that this was Excel file in here. As you can see that it's an Excel file. Still we are going with it, and we are waiting, and as you can see it's already, and it's way more faster than the paid tools. I have tried some tools, even they were paid, but still they were not able to give that much accurate faster result than this one. So I again going to the same system, and here you go. Let me just click on, just me enter, that you will be able to see it properly. And we have this sheet in which we have these fields, and these fields like list, this is the name of the sheet. Then we have these four like the headers. As you can see, we have the same 4 headers only. And then we have these 3 products, right? And then we have these 3 products. So as you can see, it's working properly. One final test with the PPT, so you will know it's working with any kind of document you will be using. So I'll paste in here and save in here and execute. And as you can see that we are already going with it, the file is uploaded, and we are now waiting 8 seconds. Yeah, it's already done, and here you go, we got a result. I will click on, I will enter, so that we will be able to. So here is our result, and now let's just compare it with the file. So this is the file in which we have Automexa High Proposal. We are offering cutting edge technology solutions, and we have key highlights, and then we have add final contact. So we have Automexa High Proposal, and we have like key highlights, every single thing. Wow, it's amazing. And we have contact as well. So this is how you can extract any kind of document data using n8n. You can do it in make.com as well. So if you need the automation, the blueprints of this workflow, so you can come in the world OCR, and I will share with you the documents. And that's it for this video. Meet you in another one. Till then, Dal Khan signing off.